There are a number of portal changes that will go into effect for the FY19 school year, and here are some of them in a nutshell. The Advanced Opportunities portal will now have the ability to mass upload funding requests for both exams and courses. And so this is for those counselors that typically go in and enter the request on behalf of students. You'll be able to put those into a spreadsheet now and upload the spreadsheet so that you don't have to put in each funding request one at a time. Now, that being said, this feature is actually quite technical because we have to make sure that all of the elements that are going into the system are just right. And so those individuals that would like to learn how to do this must attend the Advanced Opportunities portal training in August, and those dates can be found on the Advanced Opportunities website. Registration is now open for that. So that is one feature coming up. The next feature that is now available in the portal is the ability to submit data to the State Department by term. And in essence, what this does is it allows you now to commingle the data, which previously was not allowed. And what this means is you can go ahead and start entering, let's say, summer data, even if you haven't submitted your spring term to the State Department yet. When you pull up the report called Courses Waiting Submission, you will be able to basically identify what term you want to look at, what school year, and then you can submit them one term at a time, or you can submit the entire school year. The other feature that is now available is the ability to submit multiple courses for the same student. And basically what you do is you'll go in and you'll type in the EDU ID, the first name, last name, fill out the information, and now there's a button that says submit another course for the same student. And when you click that, the identifiable information, so the EDU ID, the first name, last name, will auto-populate, and then you'll just need to enter the course information instead of re-entering the student's information a second time. We have gone through the entire portal and also cleaned out some of the tables, put in fewer columns so that it's much easier to navigate. Those of you that spend a lot of time in the portal probably are better off exporting things to CSV, to a CSV file, and then work in it as an Excel spreadsheet and use the filters that way. But those of you that go in there just a few times a year, the tables there will be easier now to navigate. You have the ability to approve and deny multiple courses at once. And so what this feature looks like is there's a checkbox next to each funding request. And so you can check 3 or 4 boxes and approve them all together, or deny them, or put them in a new status called Needs Review, which is actually the next feature. The Needs Review status is basically a separate list, and so the State Department, a college, or someone at the district level can put this status onto a funding request. And so what it looks like is when you put something into Needs Review, it will go to a different report, and whoever is putting it into that status needs to specify exactly what needs to be reviewed. So for example, if the credit number is incorrect, or maybe the title of a course is incorrect and a college catches that, they'll put it in that status and make a little note to say the credit number of this course is not correct. Please edit it and then approve as necessary. And so that way someone at the district level could see exactly which courses need to be looked at again. So those are some of the portal changes coming up. Again, we have portal trainings coming up throughout August for the different regions. We will have one in each region, and so you can go into you can go in and register for those right now, and you can find that on the Advanced Opportunities main page.